Hey guys, good morning. Today is the 13th of April 2024, and currently I'm sharing the high-low chart, which you can easily find in the trading view. But this is for the Bank Nifty futures continuous contract. And currently, what I'm seeing is continuously the bid is moving higher. Uh, and this is the zone where some supply is currently seen, right? So overall, a nice uptrend, which has happened this particular week. Moreover, apart from the uptrend, what I'm seeing is since past 3 days, we are just balancing in a sort of a 400 point range, right? So obviously, so I'll consider this as a balance, and the sellers see here supply or sellers shutting off here, right? Plus, there are a lot of stops which has been accumulated around the 48,600 price zone. Okay. So yeah, this is more on the high-low chart, but if we look same data points on market profile, understanding the overall market structure, I'm seeing clearly the sellers are seen above the around the 49,000 level. They are showing their hands, and the supply is shutting off again at around the 48,700, right? So 300 point was the range for 3 days. And if I consider this, so this is a 400 point range. So overall, we are in a sort of a 4 day balance. And surprising thing is where the supply is shutting off, right? So why we are seeing this lows getting created here? And the reason is this particular day. So this is the day where short covering has happened, and we also have a single print. And shorts are still trapped below the 48,500 level, right? So they are still supply or shorts, they are still trapped. As price is trying to reach, the trapped sellers are, they are minimizing the risk and they are the first buyers. Okay, so 48,500 is one of the areas, which I'll be looking forward next week. So we are in a 4 day balance, and if I just merge this with using simple volume profile chart, right? We will be able to see a sort of a balance. Let me just edit settings. I need to change the text size. Okay, so uh, uh, if you see, you'll easily see areas of accumulation and distribution, right? So what do I mean by areas of accumulation and distribution? We have two balances, right? So this is where the inventory got accumulated, and this is where the inventory is getting distributed. So what I mean by that is this is the zone where buyers or smart players or smart money or whatever smart you want to tell them, but people or the wholesalers, they are accumulating inventory in this range and they are distributing the inventory in this range, right? So they are buying here, selling here, again they're selling here. So we continuously since last 3 days or 4 days, we just, or in fact this week, we just had a wish wash. I believe we also had a holiday on Thursday, right? So yeah, so nothing much, nothing has changed. Sellers seen around the 49,000 level, supply shutting off around the 48,600 level, right? So let me just clear the drawings. But this is the overall range, where I'm seeing what the price is trying to tell, right? So coming to next week, what am I looking for is a couple of option paths. So one is I'm just marking the levels. So 49,000, 48,600, and 48,500. Those are the regions. So this is the overall balance which I'm looking for. And I'll be looking at pre-open because I am seeing supply to shut off between the 48,400 and 48,200, right, range, right? So first option path is, let's say we open gap down. So I'm looking for continuation lower and some sort of a balance, and then I'll be looking to see whether the price. So this is the first auction development path. The second auction development path is looking to see supply shutting off and price again getting snapped back above the 48,500 zone, or do we see further continuation lower? That will be an interesting data point because currently there hasn't been any liquidation seen in Bank Nifty. Currently, this particular day is an important day. This is where the sellers or there are trap shots. right? So for me, again, 48,000, see, again, the low is exactly at the 48,000 level. So I believe currently these are the three option development path. It would be interesting if we do not open gap down, if we open within the Friday's range. So Friday's range, it was a pretty narrow range, a good day, plus supply shutting off around the 48,700 zone. So fourth auction path is if we just open within this range, I'm looking for one more balance and see, whether we have another balance getting formed, right? So this is the overall fourth auction development path. And we might have a look above and fail trade setup, getting established, right? So pretty interesting week, happening next week. I believe there would be some news or events. I have not yet checked, but if there are, just be aware of those. Currently, we are just in a sort of a 4-day balance. I'm looking at the balance high, balance low, balance mid, and I'm going to measure the reaction and the tempo, how the price is getting developed. Okay. And yeah, if you'd like to talk to me, or just say hi, just chat with me, or if you have any doubts with market profile, or if you need any sort of training or help, just check the description below. There's a Telegram link where you can connect with me on Telegram, and also you can join my Telegram channel. Okay. So with that, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.